In this video, you're going to learn how to take this simple rudiment and then apply it to the drum set so it sounds like this. Alright, so like many other drummers, this rudiment is one of my favorites to apply to the drum set, and the sticking is as follows. Accented right hand, followed by 2 doubles on the left hand, 2 doubles on the right hand, and then another accent on the left hand. So sped up a little bit, it's going to look and sound like this. Again. And again. Now what's great about this pattern is that when you play them consecutively, it feels really cool, and it's kind of a natural flowing rudiment. Alright, so how do we apply that to the drum set? Well, if we first take the accents of the right hand, move it over to the floor tom, right? Then we have our second accent. Why don't we place it over on the hi-hat and voice it that way? Again. And again. Now let's do it consecutively, back to back. Speed it up a little bit. If you're having a difficult time understanding what you need to be practicing in order to achieve results much quicker on the drums, then I put together a free Metal Drummer's Journey blueprint, and you can get that down at the link in the description of this video. And what that's going to do is it's going to tell you exactly what level you're at and what you need to be practicing at each level, or what you should be focusing on to achieve maximum results in your drumming with efficiency. Okay, now let's add a little bit more depth to this and do kind of like a hi-hat wash or a scoop. So sped up. Okay, let's put that into a groove. Pretty cool, right? So that's just one pattern we can play. How about a drum fill? Because I know we all want new drum fills to add to our vocabulary. So let's just move the accents onto the toms. Right? In a groove. We can virtually exponentially have a multitude of different patterns with one simple sticking, as I just showed you, right? So if you just change the phrasing, the orchestration, or the voicing on your drum set, you're going to come up with some really sick and cool different patterns and drum fills behind your drum kit. So if there's already a specific rudiment that you apply into your drumming, then let me know down in the comments below, and maybe we can elaborate that on another video. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Fleury, and I'll see you in the next video.